Today, I'm going to show you how to send a voice message using Telegram. It's super easy and a great way to communicate when you want to add a personal touch. Let's jump right in. First, let's get started by opening the Telegram app on your device. Now, select the chat where you want to send your voice message. You can choose a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Both work the same way. Now to record your voice message, look for the microphone icon located in the message input area. Press and hold the microphone icon to start recording your message. You'll see the waveform appear indicating that it's recording. When you're done speaking, simply release the icon to send the message. If you want to change your mind while recording, you can swipe up to cancel the recording or swipe to the left to cancel the recording like this. After sending, your voice message will appear in chat. You can tap on it to listen again if you want to hear it. And that's it, you've successfully sent a voice message on Telegram.